WM Promus is a UK-based HP partner. We're classed as a preferred partner, moving on to being what's termed a specialist partner in the ITSM product space. WM Promus decided that Service Anywhere would be a great platform for our SaaS offering. So with Service Anywhere, it's starting out with a focus on what the vast majority of businesses are doing today. A lot of people are struggling with change and to implement change. Service Anywhere provides a very, very simple way of implementing change. I think the advantage of Service Anywhere, it is so easy to amend and for them to deliver the benefit-based type applications that deliver a better IT service. It's got an excellent process designer, so we've very quickly been able to put in things like an operational risk process. So from a set of diagrams, from a description, so a paper-based process, we've been able to lift that very quickly within a day or two, use the process designer, develop it, test it, and have it available for use. So maybe they want to develop a process around an expense policy, so something completely different, a non-IT use. You could do that with Service Anywhere because the process designer is exactly that. It is the electronic flowchart that actually builds the processes in the toolset. And we think customers will really like that. They don't have to have specialist programming skills. We, as a consultancy firm, find it an excellent tool to deliver. We can develop processes very quickly, and again, we're perceived as delivering value. Another great advantage of Service Anywhere is its licensing model. They actually now offer both named fixed user licenses and concurrent or floating users, and this is unusual in the marketplace. So people can make the choices that are right for their organisation. So some customers are faced with the choice of either having software on premise and using their own infrastructure, or using a SaaS delivery. There are things you can do with an on-premise solution in terms of scaling it upwards and sideways, but really that gives the customer a bit of a headache, because suddenly that problem is theirs. They've got to invest time and money. There's a risk associated with that. All that can be transferred to a SaaS supplier. So what HP have done is offered that as a service, and in doing so, all that risk is mitigated. HP take care of the capacity, the speed, they take care of the infrastructure, so there's an instant saving, not only in infrastructure but also in people, and SaaS delivers that. When we talk to customers about Service Anywhere, we talk to them about their IT service management processes and how mature they are now, and what their roadmap is to improving those processes, and what the objective is for that before we get to looking at implementing any tool sets. We've worked out what the objectives are and what the benefit is in value terms to the business. They get some assurance that we're going to go through the processes first, create a design, and that's what's implemented in the toolset. So it's not the toolset dominating the implementation, it is the process that needs to be implemented. And by doing that, they're not only improving their effectiveness and efficiency inside IT, they're delivering a better service to their business and therefore to their customers. The Service Anywhere product helps them to meet those objectives, and then they can demonstrate to the business that the investment they've made and continue to make is worthwhile.